FOTCO is located at Port Qasim, about 35 kilometers east of Karachi. The terminal, located on the north side of Kadiro Creek, is an established state-of-the-art oil handling facility, capable of handling about 9 million tons of oil per annum with a growth potential of 27 million tons per annum. FOTCO was established in the year 1995 and since have been handling majority of diesel and furnace oil imports of the country. Our LNG pipeline was installed on FOTCO Oil Terminal Company, FOTCO, which is 14 kilometers long, that connects the offshore jetty to SSGC delivery point. The RLNG pipeline is owned and operated by FOTCO that provides service to PGPC for transmission of RLNG from FSRU to SSGC delivery point, that is Custody Transfer Service, CTS. NanoPhos was awarded with a contractual duty for prevention of this national asset from harsh weather conditions and marine environment. So In4Business, who is the representative of NanoPhos Greece and Pakistan, started the job with its application team. Job area was isolated in accordance to the site standards, rules and regulations and as per international SOPs for HSEQ. Surface was blast cleaned with world's safest and most innovative technology. To prepare surface at standard of SSPC, SP10, near white metal blast cleaning and to achieve recommended surface anchor profile roughness 60 micron. Before painting, deposited salts or chlorides on the blast clean surface were measured. So Brestle patch test was carried out with Elcometer 138 Brestle salt kit and Elcometer 135B Brestle test patches. The desired chloride reading was not being achieved with normal silica sand. So, the riverbed sand was used. Chloride's level was dropped down to the margin that is below 50 mg per meter square, but keeping in view the importance of low chlorides, it was decided to slot in another step of sweep blasting the already blasted surface with turbo-grade copper slag grit. It resulted in drastic drop-down of chloride's level as low as 16 mg per meter square. After blast cleaning the surface profile was measured with Elcometer Testex tape 122 and Elcometer surface profile thickness gauge 124. The reading of surface profile had been ranging from 80 to 130 micron with uneven blast cleaning, which was really troublesome for application due to loss of paint and anchoring profile, because paint was calculated according to 5 to 60 micron profile. Consequently, the number of coats for getting desired dry film thickness, DFT, were increased from 3 to 5. Reason behind that was, surface already blasted before previous coating scheme was deeper than 80 microns, so it was irreversible and could not be mitigated. It was good for anchoring. Ultimately it would benefit the coating life, but with more consumption. During painting job the environmental conditions were keenly considered. Painted when the atmospheric temperature and dew point were above 5 degrees centigrade and 3 degrees centigrade respectively. Moreover, the relative humidity was less than 80%. Rain forecast had also been considered. The painting scheme for our LNG pipeline was: first coat of NanoPhos EPR red-brown at 150 microns DFT. Second coat of NanoPhos EPR gray at 150 microns DFT. Applied third coat of NanoPhos white stain-resistant PU enamel CGU at 90 microns DFT. Total DFT thickness of the paint system was greater than 390 microns. While on CTS it was: apply first coat of NanoPhos epoxy primer at 150 microns DFT. Apply second finish top coat of NanoPhos cool glossy stain-resistant PU enamel CGU at 90 microns DFT. Total DFT of the paint system was greater than 240 microns. Removal and replacing of the 246 saddles was a very critical job. Keeping in view the safety of the equipment and the pipeline, a specialized team of experts was appointed for this job. Lack of expertise, mishandling or any other carelessness could result in sagging of pipeline, damage of equipment or severe accident. Alternate supports were removed to keep the pipeline intended and stable. Saddle were also dealt with the same methodology of cleaning and coating application as of our LNG pipeline. We acknowledge the trust that has been extended to us from FOTCO management. We are thankful to all of those who have supported us to express our professional expertise in these wonderful and unique executions, well above the level of simplicity and into something concrete. We would like to express our special thanks and gratitude to FOTCO team, Zeshan Engineering Limited, ZEL, and all other who had been standing with us on every step. We also pay gratitude to our technical team Dr. Ryanis Arobutsis, Mr. Georgios Mitropoulos, Captain Retired Tanvir Ahmad, Mr. Kamarzia and Mr. Abdullah Khan for providing technical support, and without them it won't be easy to accomplish this drudgery. Thanks for your time.